Now, tonight, the country is staring at a constitutional crisis over delays in the appointment of IEBC commissioners. Legal battles and lack of political will to fill the positions have left several constituencies and wards without elected representatives and paralyzed the boundaries delimitation. A selection panel that had been listed to undertake the process of identifying commissioners to fill vacant positions has been suffocated in numerous court cases to date. Here is Stephen Letoo with the current state of IEBC.
A towering structure that houses the IEBC along the University Way in Nairobi has for many months now remained just a tower. The Secretariat has been doing just simple office chores, with critical decisions supposed to be undertaken by commissioners stalling. Crucial operations at the Electoral Agency came to a standstill following the retirement of former Chairman Wafula Chebukati and ex-commissioners Abdi Guli and Mboya Molu, who had served their 6-year non-renewable term. The other commissioners, known to be the Chirera Four, were pushed out after falling out with the rest over the 2022 presidential elections. A panel that had been listed to come up with qualified persons to fill the positions have all been dragged into a protracted legal battle. So far, 2 court cases are pending in court, both in Nairobi and Kiambu. One petitioner claims there was no regional balance in the names of the empanelment list. The absence of the commissioners forcing the IEBC to write to the Office of the Attorney General over pending by-elections. According to the Attorney General, in the absence of the commissioners, no gazette notices may be executed for publication to facilitate the conduct of any by-election, as the same will lack the sanction of the commission, thereby violating the Constitution. That means that Banisa, Magarini and Ugunja voters will have to wait longer, as IEBC, as currently constituted, cannot conduct by-elections. 8 wards, including Kisa East Ward in Kakamega, Chawani Ward in Tana River, Nyamai Ward in Nyamira are also affected. The boundaries delimitation is also in abeyance following the crippling of business at the anniversary towers.
The matter is still pending before the Supreme Court. If the Supreme Court renders its guidelines now and say, for example, we are able to do it as Secretariat, then we can go ahead and do it. But also there's a question of who can also extend the timelines now that the timelines are already over.
The last review was concluded in March 2012, which means the last review was to have been concluded by March 2024. MPs at last month moved to grant the House powers to extend the boundaries review period that is currently between 8 years to 12 years. Boundaries delimitation, if undertaken, could see the number of wards increase from the current 1,450 units. Some constituencies could also be merged into one, while others may be split as long as the total number remains 290. The preparation for the 2027 polls is also in limbo, with all eyes now on President William Ruto, judiciary and parliament to unlock the impasse. Stephen Letoo, Citizen TV.